What's the meaning of complicate? Complicate. Complicate.
Complicate. Complicate. The term complicate refers to the act of making something more difficult or complex. When something is complicated, it can be harder to understand, navigate, or accomplish. This can happen when there are too many moving parts, conflicting ideas or directions, or a lack of clarity in communication. Complications can arise in any area of life, from personal relationships to business dealings to scientific research. It is generally preferable to keep things simple rather than adding unnecessary complications, as this can save time, reduce stress, and increase efficiency.